Thank you for watching. I am Annabelle with TopKnotLatina. So I just wanted to tell you, give you a little bit of a product review. I swear I can never talk. So this is a ring selfie, and it is called Limelight. So I'm going to do a close-up, so hopefully you get a good view. So this ring, it has 24 built-in LEDs around the ring. So whenever you open it, and I already opened mine and charged it, you know, I had to test it out, make sure it's good. So that's the ring. It comes in the ring light, and then it comes with a USB charger. And it's so simple. I charged it. Anything I charge overnight. So you'll stick it in here, and then you plug it into your computer, and you clip it onto your phone. That's a great thing about this, is that if you haven't bought a Lumi case or any other cases that have lights around them, they're usually pretty pricey, and this is awesome because it's a great deal. It is only $35, I believe. So all you have to do is clip it onto your phone. Oh, here's the logo right here. But yeah, you'll clip it on your phone, and then there is a switch at the back, and it's on and off, and it lets you know how bright you want it to be. So starts off not too bright, and then it goes really bright. And it's great for you to take videos with. It's simple, it's not heavy at all, it's an easy clip. And then you clip it on, and then you can take your photos and your videos. And you can also clip it onto the back of your phone, same thing. So it goes either way. And the great thing about this as well is that you can put this on your laptop if you are, you know, chatting with anybody, or maybe, I don't know, maybe you're doing an interview and it's different time zone and it's kind of late and you need more light. This is great. This is only $35, and I love it. I charge it, I keep it in my purse, and it is great. It gives me the best quality, and I can adjust the lighting, see? And I'm constantly taking selfies and sending them to my husband. Everybody is like, oh my gosh, another selfie. I'm like, hello, duh. And even food pictures, I'm obsessed with food pics. And so if I'm somewhere in the evening, you know, and it's dark and I'm taking food pictures, I just clip on this little sucker and take a video or a picture. So if you want to get your hands on this, click on the link in the video description below, and you can check it out for yourself and see if you'd like to order it. And it comes in really fast. The shipping doesn't take long at all. So I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you have like 3 seconds, which I know you do, if you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure to click on the video description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like and comment on this video. And in the video description below, you'll have the direct link so you can check out this company called Limelight. All right, I guess that's it. Thanks, guys. Until next time. Bye.